Now I'm going to explain mostly asked interview question. Find employees who are not present in department table. Okay. So if you are experienced, if you are a fresher, this is very regularly asked question. Find employees who are not present in department. So we need to figure it out. Employees who are not present in department. Okay. So first of all, let me show you the employee table. This is the employee table, employee ID, employee name, department ID, and this is the department table. So HR, finance, IT, and department ID. What is the common column between employee table and as well as department table? Employee ID is the common column. Okay. So let me show you what are the whose employees is not available in department table. Let me show you. For example, in department ID, HR, finance, IT, the department ID is 1, 2, 3, right? In employee table, so only department ID 1, 2, 3 is available, but 5 and this is not assigned value is Sneha, and as well as employee ID 7 is not available in the department table. Okay, we need to we need to fetch these records only the department ID 5 and null as well as 7. Okay, these are the employees who are not available in the department table. So we need to figure it out only those records from the employee table. So in which scenario? In scenario finding employees who are not present in department table, which join you are going to use? This is like a you have to think. So this thinking process interviewer is going to expect from you. Okay, so you have to think in the correct way. So for example, so finding the employees who are not present in department. So if you use self inner join, you are going to get common records from the both the tables, like employee table as well as department table, right? But if you use left join, what is going to happen? You will be able to get only common records from the all the records from the left table, common records from the right table, and if not available, those records in the right table, which is going to show you null values. In that case, so figuring out employees is uh, easy by using the left join. This is the thinking process, guys. You have to think in this way. So why should not use left join? Why should I use a left join? Why should not use inner join? Okay, this thinking process interviewer is going to check you. So for example, now I am going to use left join. So let me show you how I am going to write down the query. First, I am going to select the different columns from the employee table, because we our focus is we need to figure it out employees who are not present in the table, department table, right? So our focus is employee table. So first we have to figure it out employees. So that's why I'm going to take employee ID, employee name, and department ID. Okay, let me take it employee ID and employee name and what is that? Department ID. From table name is so employee. Okay, let me copy paste employees. This is our table name. And what join I'm doing? Left join. Why I'm taking only employee table first instead of department table? Because we are doing left join. What we want employees who are not present in the department. We are focusing employees who are not present. That's why I'm using left join. That's why I'm taking first table as a employees table. Let me go ahead and now from the employee table I'm going to use all the columns from the employees table. So that's why I'm going to give it a short name, e dot employee id, e dot employee name, e dot department id. From employee table I'm with what join I'm doing? Left join with what table? Department table, right? So let me copy paste, control C, control V, and I'm going to give short form of E. I'm going to give short form of department P. On top of this, so is this correct? Table name department. I think it is correct, right? So okay, select department. On top of this, I'm doing on top of common columns. Department ID is the common column is equal department ID. I'm going to give it a short form alias and e dot. Okay, so let me execute department. Okay, left join. Sorry, I forget it. Okay, so if I run this query, what is going to happen? Let me show you. Now you will be able to see all the records from the both the tables, right? So how many records we are having? 6 records we are having from the both the tables we are able to get. So if that particular table is not available, which is going to show you null, right? So for example, now I'm trying to figure it out null value, and I'm trying to figure it out employees who are not available in the department table. So now here I'm going to filter where department ID, okay, department ID, control C, control V, and D dot, okay, sorry, P dot department ID is null. Okay, let me run this query. Now you will be able to see department ID 5 and Sneha, which is not assigned value null, and Arjun 7. These employees are not in the department table. This is the way you have to write down query during the interview. You have to explain thinking process. Okay. Hope this video helps to you. If you don't understand, just try to watch once again. Definitely, which is going to help you while giving the interview. And make sure to like the video and follow me for more interview preparation tips and interview questions. And thank you.